What is the total cost of a $800 computer that is on sale at 16% off if the local sales tax rate is 7%? So on this problem we have two things we need to account for. We have the discount as well as the tax. So we have to first calculate the discount. So 0.16 times 800 will get you $128. So we can take $128 off of the original price. And that gets us $672. Now we need to calculate the tax. So 0.07 times the $672 is 47.04. So that would be the tax. So we need to add that to the 672. And our final answer will be $719.04.